Good morning, my dear students. Hope you all are safe and secure. Stay home, stay safe. Welcome to today's English class. Today we are going to begin our Unit 8. The theme of the unit is gratitude. This unit consists of 3 readings. Reading A, Dr. Dwarkanath Courtney's. Reading B, Be Thankful. Poem. Reading C, The Dead Rat. Today we are going to discuss and analyze the reading A, Dr. Dwarkanath Courtney's. Look at the picture, children. What did you observe in the picture? Yes, Mother Teresa receiving 1979 Nobel Peace Prize. Why do you think Mother Teresa was awarded Nobel Peace Prize, children? Because Mother Teresa was an ethnic, Albanian, Indian Roman Catholic nun. She founded the Missionaries of Charity and served the people and the needy. She was called Saint of the Slums for her services. In 1979, she was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for work undertaken in the struggle to overcome poverty and distress, which also constitutes a threat to the peace. And one more question, children. Do you know the name of any Indian who may have rendered any significant services in another country and is still remembered and honored by the people there? So, do you remember any Indian, children? Yes, according to me, yes. Mahatma Gandhi's services in South Africa are still remembered there. No other Indian can claim the kind of adulation and respect Dr. Dwarkanath Courtney enjoys in China. Coming from a family of doctors, Dr. Courtney had always dreamt of becoming a physician. And the War of Resistance gave him the perfect opportunity to make himself useful in the battlefield. He dedicated his entire life working as a battlefront doctor in China and rendered his selfless service to the injured Chinese soldiers during the Second Sino-Japanese War. Dr. Courtney's contribution towards humanity will be remembered forever. Meaning of adulation, admiration, praise. Meaning of War of Resistance, war for defending. Meaning of battlefront, front place where battle is fought. Meaning of Sino-Japanese, between China and Japan. The war is going on between China and Japan. Dr. Dwarkanath Courtney was born in lower middle class family on October 10, 1910 in Sholapur, Maharashtra. So, Dr. Dwarkanath Courtney was born on October 10, 1910 in Sholapur, Maharashtra. A vivacious kind of nature, Dr. Courtney forever aspired to become a doctor. Meaning of vivacious, attractive. So, a kind by nature, attractive kid by nature, Courtney forever aspired. Meaning of aspired, wish. His wish was to become a doctor. After completing his graduation in medicine from GS Medical College, Bombay, he went on to pursue his post-graduation internship. Meaning of pursue, continue. Meaning of internship, apprenticeship. So here, after completion of his graduation in medicine from which college? GS Medical College, Bombay. He went to continue his post-graduation to get his apprenticeship. However, he put aside his post-graduation plans when he got the chance to join the medical aid mission to China. Here meaning of aid, help, assistance. So, he put aside his post-graduation plans because he got a chance to join in the medical aid mission to China. So, ever since As a child, he aspired to become a doctor. Who? Dr. Courtney's wants to become a doctor. So he completed his graduation and post-graduation. But he did not complete his post-graduation internship. That means he did not get his apprenticeship. Dr. Courtney's always wanted to travel around the world and practice medicine in different parts of the globe. So Dr. Courtney's wants to travel around the world and wants to give the practice medicines in different parts of the globe. That means different parts of the country. He started his medical expedition in Vietnam and then moved on to the Singapore and Brunei. So first he started his medical expedition here. Where did he start? In Vietnam. And then he moved to Singapore and Brunei. In 1937, the Communist General Zhu Di requested Jawaharlal Nehru to send Indian physicians to China during the Second Sino-Japanese War to help the soldiers. So, in the year 1937, the Communist General Zhu Di requested Jawaharlal Nehru to send Indian physicians. Meaning of physician, a doctor who treats diseases. So, the communist requested Jawaharlal Nehru to send the Indian physicians to China during the Second Sino-Japanese War. So already I have told you the Sino-Japanese War means what? Between whom and whom? Between China and Japan. To help the soldiers. The President of the Indian National Congress, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, accepted the request and made arrangements to send a team of volunteer doctors. So who is the president at that time for the Indian National Congress? Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. So he accepted the request and made the arrangements to send a team of volunteer doctors. A medical team of 5 doctors was sent as a part of Indian medical mission team in September 1938. So how many doctors were sent there? 5 doctors were sent as a part of Indian. From India, how many doctors went there? 5 doctors went as a part of Indian medical mission team. In which year? 1938, in month of September. The medical team comprised of M. Atal, M. Cholkar, Dr. Courtney's, B.K. Basu and D. Mukherjee. So these were the 5 doctors who went. After the war, all other doctors except Dr. Courtney's returned to India. So after the war, remaining 4 doctors returned. But who stayed back there? Dr. Courtney's stayed back there. However, Dr. Courtney's decided to stay back and serve at the military base. So Dr. Courtney's decided to stay there and want to help the military base. Here meaning of military base means a place of military activities. He initially started his work in Yan and then went to the anti-Japanese base area in North China, where he worked in the surgical department of the 8th Route Army General Hospital as the physician in charge. So initially, after he stayed back there itself, and he initially started his work in Yan and then went to the anti-Japanese base area. He went to the anti-Japanese base area in North China. What did he do there? He worked as an surgical. Where did he work there? He worked in the surgical department of the 8th Route Army Hospital. So what was the name of the hospital? 8th Route Army General Hospital as physician in charge. As a physician in charge, he worked there. It was while working with the soldiers that Dr. Courtney's lost his heart to a Chinese woman, Guo Qinglin. They were working in the same hospital. Here meaning of lost the heart, fall in love. So Dr. Courtney's fall in love with a Chinese woman, Guo Qinglin. They were working in the same hospital. Dr. Courtney's was a doctor and Guo was a nurse. So Guo was a nurse. In November 1941, Courtney's married Guo and a son was born on August 23, 1942. So Dr. Courtney's and Guo got married and a son was born to them in the month of August 23rd, 1942. They named the boy In Hua. So what was the name of the boy? In Hua. Combining the Chinese characters In for India and Hua for China. So they both combined the names as the Chinese characters as In. Here meaning of characters. Letters like A, B, C, D. The letters like A, B, C, D. So In for India and Hua for China. He worked as a lecturer for some time in the military area at the Dr. Bitain Hygiene School. So again, Dr. Cotness worked as a lecturer for some time in the military area at the Dr. Bitain Hygiene School. Where did he work there? At Dr. Bethune Hygiene School. Dr. Bethune Hygiene School. He took over the post of the first president of the Bitain International Peace Hospital after Dr. Norman Bitain passed away. So, after Dr. Norman passed away, he took the post of first president of Bitain. During a long, drawn-out battle against Japanese troops in 1940, Dr. Cotness performed operations for 72 hours non-stop without any sleep, and a small team conducted 50 operations every day for a fortnight. Here meaning of fortnight, a period of 15 days. So fortnight means how many days, children? It is a period of 15 days. So in the year 1940, Dr. Cotness performed 72 hours non-stop operations. Without any sleep, he conducted for how many hours? 72 hours he performed operations without any sleep. And a small team. So his small team also conducted 50 operations every day for a fortnight. So for every 15 days, they used to have how many operations? 50 operations. In those harsh times, Mrs. Guo proved an ideal soulmate but was modest about her contribution. Here meaning of harsh, difficult. Meaning of soulmate, a person having a special relationship. So Mrs. Guo, she proved that she is an ideal soulmate in all the difficulties time, but she was the modest about her contribution. Meaning of contribution, service. She says that service was important. So she always used to support Dr. Cotness. Dr. Cotness played a major role in controlling a virulent strain of plague that hit Chinese soldiers. So, Dr. Cotness, he played a major role in controlling a virulent, meaning of virulent, extremely dangerous, meaning of strain, physical. So, what was the name of the disease there? Plague. So, he made a major role in controlling the disease, dangerous disease, plague that was attacked to the Chinese soldiers. In the process, he did not fall back from trying out a vaccine on himself. Here meaning of fall back, move back or turn back. In this process, Dr. Cotness, he did not took the vaccine. He did not try to take the vaccine for himself. The hardships of suppressed military life and the stresses that were especially relevant to the front-line doctors finally began to tell on Dr. Cotness. So, meaning of hardships, difficulties. At the time of difficulties in the military, he suppressed many difficulties in his military life, stresses. So, all the doctors used to tell him that he finally began to fell down. He was sick. So, they used to tell, meaning of tell on means have an effect. So, remaining doctors used to tell to doctors that may affect you. They used to tell to Dr. Cotness. He died of epilepsy on December 9, 1942 at the age of 32 and was buried in the Heroes Courtyard, Nanquan village. Here meaning of epilepsy, the disease that makes a person unconscious. So Dr. Cotness died because of epilepsy disease on December 9th, 1942 at the age of 32. So at the age of which age he died there? at the age of 32, and he was buried in the heroes courtyard Nanquan village. So where was he buried, children? He was buried in the heroes courtyard at Nanquan village. In order to cherish the memory of Dr. Courtness, the Chinese government built a memorial hall for him in Shijiazhuang City, Hebei province in 1976. So the Chinese government built a memorial hall for him in which city, their children? Shijiazhuang City. No single Indian has been so much revered by ordinary Chinese as this doctor from a middle class family in northern India. So meaning of revered, respect. So no other doctors were respected by the Chinese. Along with the Canadian, Dr. Norman Bethune, he continues to be revered by the Chinese people. So along with the Courtness, the doctor, a Canadian doctor, Norman Bethune, he is also respected by the Chinese people. In April 2005, both their graves were covered completely in flowers donated by the Chinese people during the Qingming festival, a day used to the Chinese to commemorate their ancestor. Here meaning of commemorate, to remind of an event or a person. Meaning of ancestors, forefathers. So the Chinese people in the month of April in the year 2005, both their graves, so both the Dr. Courtness and Dr. Norman Bethune, all the Chinese people during the Qingming festival, meaning of Qingming festival means a day which is used for the Chinese to remind a person or their ancestor. A small museum there has a handbook which contains words that Dr. Courtness wrote his passage from India to China. So Dr. Courtness wrote in his book there, in a handbook, he wrote the words that is from passage from India to China. Some of the instruments that the surgeons used at that time and many photographs of doctors. Both China and India honored him with stamps in 1982 and 1993 respectively. So both the India and China, so you can see the stamp here, the picture you can see. So they were honored with the stamps. Both the China and the India honored Dr. Courtness with their stamps in the year 1982 and 1993 respectively. Meaning of respectively in the same order as mentioned. Once again, let us revise the lesson. Dr. Dwarkanath Courtness, Part 1. Dwarkanath Courtness was born on October 10, 1910 in Sholapur. Ever since he was a child, he aspired to become a doctor. He completed his graduation and post-graduation, but he did not complete his post-graduation internship. Dr. Courtness always wanted to travel around the world and practice medicine in different parts of the world. He started his medical expedition in Vietnam. He then moved to Singapore and then to Brunei. In 1938, a team of volunteer doctors was sent to China to help the soldiers engaged in Sino-Japanese War. Dr. Courtness was one among the team of 5 doctors. The doctors performed their duties in the war front and helped the soldiers. After the war, Dr. Courtness stayed back at the military base, but all the other doctors returned to India. Dr. Courtness loved and married to Chinese nurse Guo. They had a son in Hua. Dr. Courtness rendered remarkable service to Chinese soldiers and strained himself a lot. As a result, he died of epilepsy at the age of 32. The Chinese government built a memorial hall for him in 1976. No other single Indian was respected like this. Both China and India honored him with stamps in 1982 and in 1990. Once again, let us go through the glossary of the lesson. Meaning of vivacious, attractive. Meaning of adulation, admiration, praise. Meaning of war of resistance, war for defending. Meaning of battlefront, front place where battle is fought. Meaning of Sino-Japanese, between China and Japan. Meaning of shy away, avoid something you dislike. Meaning of aspire, wish. Meaning of pursue, continue. Meaning of internship, apprenticeship. Meaning of aid, help or assistance. Meaning of expedition, a journey with a purpose. Meaning of physician, a doctor who treats diseases. Meaning of military base, a place of military activities. Meaning of surgical, connected with surgery or operation. Meaning of lost his heart, fall in love. Meaning of characters, letters like A, B, C, D. Meaning of hygiene, cleanliness. Meaning of fortnight, a period of 15 days. Meaning of harsh, difficult. Meaning of soulmate, a person having special relationship. Meaning of contribution, service. Meaning of virulent, extremely dangerous. Meaning of strain, physical or psychological pressure. Meaning of fall back, move back or turn back. Meaning of hardships, difficulties. Meaning of tell on, have an effect. Meaning of epilepsy, a disease that makes a person unconscious. Meaning of reverb, respect. Meaning of commemorate, to remind of an event or a person. Meaning of ancestors, forefathers. Meaning of respectively, in the same order as mentioned. Now let us discuss the question and answers. First question. Why was Dr. Courtney sent to China? Why was he sent to China, children? Because in 1937, the Communist General Judy requested Jawaharlal Nehru to send Indian physicians to China during the Second Sino-Japanese War to help the soldiers, isn't it? So the president of the INC, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, accepted the request and made arrangements to send a team of volunteer doctors. Dr. Courtney, as a member of the team, was sent to China to serve the wounded soldiers. So Dr. Courtney was also one of the member of the team. He was sent to China to serve whom there? Wounded soldiers. Why do you think Dr. Courtney put aside his post-graduation plans? So why do you think, children, Dr. Courtney put aside his post-graduation plans? Because as he got the chance to join the medical aid mission to China, as he got a chance to join in the medical aid mission at China, he put aside his post-graduation plans. What did Dr. Courtney always want to do? What did this nature of Dr. Courtney tell about him? So what did always Dr. Courtney want to do, children? Yes, Dr. Courtney always wanted to travel around the world and practice medicine in different parts of the globe. That means he wanted to do the medicine practice in different parts of the countries. This tells us about his enthusiastic nature, isn't it? He always wanted to acquire new knowledge in the field of medicine. So he always wanted to know. He wanted to know the new knowledge in the field of medicine. Next question. Why do you think Dr. Courtney's son was named In Hua? So why was his son named like that? Because Dr. Courtney was an Indian. We all know that Dr. Courtney was an Indian. He married a Chinese woman named Gua. They got married and had a son. They named the boy In Hua, combining the Chinese characters In. The Chinese characters In for India and Hua for China. Isn't it? In is for India and Hua is for China. They named for the combining the Chinese character. Why do you think Dr. Courtney met his death at an early age? Why did Dr. Courtney died at the early age? Because the hardships of suppressed military life and the stresses that were especially relevant to the frontline doctors began to tell on Dr. Courtney. He died of epilepsy on December 9, 1942 at the early age of 32. Because Dr. Courtney did not think about him. He did not take proper precautions regarding the diseases. So at the early age itself, at the age of 32 on December 9, 1942, he died with an disease named epilepsy. means it is a disease with an unconscious, which makes a man unconscious. Read the lesson carefully with the help of the meanings and write the glossary and comprehension in your classwork and send it to my given WhatsApp number. Thank you.